Ever wished your phone could play your favorite song every time someone calls you? In this quick guide, I'll show you set your favorite song as ringtone on Android in 1 minute first. Open the Settings app on your Android device, which is the main control center for all system options. Scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration, or a similar option depending on your phone model. Inside the sound menu, select the ringtone section where you will find a list of default tones. To use your own music, tap the add or plus icon. This will open your file manager or music library. Now choose the song you want to set as your ringtone. Make sure the audio file is already downloaded and saved on your device. After selecting it, confirm your choice and tap Save or Apply. Your new custom ringtone will now be active for incoming calls. That's it. You've successfully customized your Android ringtone in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Android tips, and share it with your friends who love customizing their phone.